Record mo na.
The rich man and the poor.
Kaming.
Food and money I give to you. Why do you shout so mercilessly?
Ikaw si John.
The rich man. The poor man replied, your question cannot answer. For from pain and agony you are free. When I have suffered and bore the situation that I don't like to be in, that I couldn't understand. Because, like for me, I take this and take that, and that is just what I want.
Bitaw mo.
Uy, nung gulo, ano.
Don't work your mind.
Gago.
Reality is this. Your wealth is not envy, for you cannot buy 30 months. Actually,
Parawawaw.
then I prefer to be
5,000 yun, Kuya. Record ng boses mo.
Life, you love so much, you will lose.
Paki ko
So
agago.
then, you understand what agony is.
Diba? Ulo si Oko.
Ha ha ha. Okay, so, for you start this state of mind, indulgence, you have had it with reason. But I understand
Tingnan sa camera.
because of your situation. Both the rich man said, outraged, the poor man answered, how pitiful! How pitiful!
Oko.
No, you don't care for yours. That you have created through your greediness. Come now, men of great souls, your days are numbered for you to face the man of love.
Tingin ka rito
You
sa
need
camera.
not right now, or later
Sa
you
camera.
will. When the chilling reality of the last judgment comes across your way, yes, then you will pay it, but not for me, but for yourself only. Yes, eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we shall die.